Hey guys, I am getting ready to go to the beach. My voice broke. I'm getting ready to go to the beach. I am just out of the shower. My hair's wet. I just pulled it out of my face. Just, so it wouldn't be in my face. And my air conditioner's going. It's the middle of summertime. It's hot in here. I can't help that. So, I obviously am not the type of person that would put on makeup to go to the beach. But, I do have a few stops to go before I get there. And I thought it would be a perfect time to finally try out my Rituel de Fille Eclipse Inner Glow Cream Pigment, in other words known on the internet as the anti-highlighter or the black highlighter. Since it's sort of a creamy, not sort of, it is a creamy makeup. I've only swatched it, I haven't put it on my face yet, but I thought it would probably go better with pretty much a kind of no makeup look, if anything, so let's go ahead and give it a try. I'm going to put some on my lips because it's meant to be used on lips, on the eyes, on your cheeks. Kind of an all-around makeup product. Alright, my first impression of the smell is that it smells kind of like menthol. A little bit like a Vicks vapor rub that you might put on when you're sick. Not nearly as strong, but that's what it smells like. It's hard to get it precise with my finger, so I'm making a mess of it, of course. Right, it definitely goes on better with my finger, because trying to put it on with a blush, with a brush, is making it be a little patchy. Okay, it's not like if I wanted a real dark black, it's not, but I like that. I think I like that it's more of a, it's almost like, I feel like I just put on a black chapstick. Like, I feel like I just put a black chapstick on my lips or something. So, I'm not hating it. I like that. If you want a black, like a hard black, I would use my Lancome. It's my favorite liquid lipstick. But if you want a softer look, and this is a softer look, yeah, I like this. Alright, I'm putting it on my face like not where highlighter would go, not where blush would go necessarily, but in the contour area. And it's perfect as a contour. Alright, now for my eyes, I think I'm going to try the brush again. Alright, it's just a pale sort of gray on my eye. I brought it under my eye a little bit for that sort of, I've been up all night, I'm tired, shadows in my eyes look. I am a little afraid that it's going to crease real bad because it is so wet. But I wonder if I put a little bit of my face powder on it. It lightens it more when I do that, so it definitely does look like I just have kind of a shadow or almost a bruise on my eye. Which again, for a goth look, I don't hate that, I think obviously if you wanted it to be a darker, more bold color, you could just use this as a base for any other color of eyeshadow, and I might do that. in some future video. But for now, I just wanted a real casual look anyway from going to the beach in. And I love it. I love how it's just a gray, just more of a shadow or a hint of color than being like an actual color. Alright, they had sent me this little sample, the Rituel de Fille people did, and this is their July Moon Drop, and it is a highlighter, and y'all know I normally don't use highlighter, but I'm going to right now. It's very subtle. I'm not really seeing that it has much, it also has that same almost menthol Vicks Vapor Rub smell. I don't even think you can really see it in the camera. It does give my skin a little bit of a shine, which I guess might be okay. Might be appropriate for going to the beach anyway, right? Make it look a little wet. And yes, I know some of my nails are not on. Don't hate. Alright, and I'm not going to put brows on. Like I said, my hair is still wet from the shower, so I am ready to go to the beach. Alright, that's it. I love it. I'm going to vlog my beach trip, so stay tuned for it. That subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss the upload. And I'll see you in the next video. Have fun.